Hey everybody. So my shed was covered with moss. The roof of the shed was covered with moss, and I didn't clean it last year. So I had like 2 years worth of moss growing on it. So this is gonna help you. Get a ladder, get a rake. You can go against the grain or with the grain. You can yank it or you can push it away. But I got the rake and I got all that thick moss off, and I had to get it down and go to the other side, and it got it off pretty good. Some folks use a brush. You can use a brush as well. Now this is the other side. You can just take it off by hand, but I didn't want to stand on the roof, so I just got the ladder, got on this side, got the rake, and did the same thing. And it's quite a bit of straw because I have two big pine trees that need to be cut down, but that's another story. So it didn't cost me any money. So you're gonna get the rake, you're gonna rake this stuff off, or get up there and brush it off. Be gentle, because you want to preserve the shingles. And you see, this is one hand operation because I was holding the phone. So you basically just rake it off in whichever direction you need to do it, and just knock it off to the ground. And once you get the moss off, the other thing you can do is get a 50-50 solution of bleach and water and spray the whole thing. That's gonna kill the moss at the roots. It's winter time here when I'm doing this, and so when the sun comes out or when it warms up, I'm gonna spray it with some solution or something specifically for moss, and that'll really take care of it. But for the most part, it was easy. So if you have moss on your roof, just do it this way. You go from this here to this, and it wasn't hard. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be safe and be blessed.